Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a command prompt in a batch file. So basically you'd probably use this if you're at school and you want to do some weird hacking stuff, and your school's like maybe disabled command prompt, then you can just use this as an alternative. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing you want to do is always type at echo off, alright? So at echo off turns the directory bar off. So by directory bar I mean this. That's what I don't know if it is called that, but I think it is. And I don't know, it just seems right. But the directory bar, it just shows you what directory the command prompt is, and you don't want that directory bar there, so we're going to turn that off. So that's what at echo off does. It's not at directory bar off, it's at echo off. So now you don't have to do this. The rest is all optional that I'm about to show you. So title is optional, okay? So you can set the title to we'll just go CMD, and what that does is if I go here and just run CMD, as you can see it changes the title to what you said. So if I want it to be dog, then I go here, right? I have to restart it because it doesn't do changes so quickly. So now it's dog, and that's what the title does. So for now we'll just call it CMD. You can call it whatever you want. And then here, so title sets the title of the CMD window. And then now we can set the color. So to set the color, you just go color and then 2, for example, and basically I'll just show you a list of the colors that you can do. So to get a list of colors, you just go color, color help, and then it shows you all the colors. So let's do white or something. Now we'll just leave it as green, I think it was. I'm not sure. And then we'll just then what? So color sets the color of the text in the CMD window. There we go. And then we'll just go to CMD. So basically what that does is goes to the specified location. So by that, what I mean by the semicolon and location is this. So if I did CMD here, that's, you can call it a go-to location or a go-to point, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what they're actually called, but basically if you've done it correctly, you just do a semicolon and then whatever name you want to be there. That could be like B-O, you know, or it could be O, just like that, but you'd have to change it to O there, so then it actually goes to that place there. For now, we'll just keep it as CMD. And now, the next part to do is CLS, alright? So, CLS clears the screen. And basically, also, I don't know if you guys knew this yet, but those 2 semicolons, right, in batch file, 2 semicolons, that just does like a little, does a comment for the person that is editing the code. So basically you can't see this little text in the game. Only the person who's editing the code can actually see it. Now for the next part, so we want to put in a little bit of input here, so then people can choose, like, yeah, I want to do this command. So we do set/p, and then we can just do input. In this is just a variable that we're putting in here, right? So that can be anything. It could be tree, It could be 6. It could be a letter, just one letter. It can be anything you want. But for now, I'm just going to call it input. You want to do equals. And then if you want to get kind of fancy, you can just do change directory. Now, what the variable cd does is, so if I went here into command prompt right now, and if I did echo cd, what that would do is it would echo the directory bar, or if you just, I don't know if this would work, but no, it doesn't. Alright, basically it just shows you the directory bar. Alright, now in command prompt, in command prompt, it just naturally shows you that directory bar. Now if you want, you could get super fancy and copy that there and just go here and then paste that in, echo, and then we go. And now look how fancy that looks, right? Go here, and look at that. And then actually, to make it look better, we just go echo dot. Basically, echo dot echoes a clear line. So it should look like this if you do it correctly. And then there's a clear line there. And then to make this one look fancier, we just do a colon and then a space bar, and just do space bar. And now look at that, fancy, ain't? Yeah, I find that kind of cool. And now, if we were to type something in and press enter, it wouldn't do anything because now it's just there's nothing telling it it can't. It's not doing anything. And there's nothing telling it can't exit out, so why not just exit out? That's what the program's doing. We want to counter that with, we're gonna put okay, what I'm doing right now is, if I were to do echo and then the input, and then pause, what that would do, that wouldn't do what we want. So if I wanted to do help and then do it, and then that would supposed to be able to give me a list of commands, but if I type it in right now, it's just going to echo what I input in for the variable. Now we don't want that. We want the command to do something. So basically, if you just did the variable here in 2% signs, then it would run the command. It is a command. So yeah, that's basically what that does. And then the pause stops the program from crashing. You could say that pretty much. And then guess what? We're done. Completely done now. So, and then if we were to press enter, forgot to go do CMD. Stupid am I, huh? And then if we press enter, it will just go press any key to continue. Alright, so now it's done. Now I'll show you proof that it works. Help, if we type help, it brings up a list of commands. There we go, see? We're done. But anyway, that's command prompt for you. That's it, working, just there. And then, yeah, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial video on how to make a command prompt. If you did, leave a like. Actually, you know what? You don't have to do any of that. I just hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.